Hey guys, it's Mrs. Rice. Um, I have a couple of videos I need you to watch regarding construction. So this is the first video. This specifically is how to construct a congruent segment. So on your paper, you should see segment AB, and then a blank, because the first thing I'd like you to do is, using your straight edge, draw a ray that looks like this. So you're going to have endpoint X. And on the other side, make sure you have the arrow because we need to notate that it's array. So draw array with endpoint X. It doesn't need to be directly next to AB like mine is. It just has to be somewhere on the page. And make sure that the ray is long because of what we're going to do. So after you draw your ray with endpoint X, the next thing I want you to do is take your compass. So here's mine. You're going to put the sharp part on endpoint A and the pencil part on endpoint B. So what you're doing is you're measuring the distance from A to B. So this is giving you the length of AB. And since we're copying this segment, or we're making a congruent segment, you want to take the setting that you currently have on your compass. You want to put your sharp part on endpoint X, and you want to swipe across that ray like so. Okay, so what this is showing you is where the other endpoint should be. So where your arc intersects the ray, you're going to label it with another letter. We'll call this Y. So sorry guys, there's no like text button in this, so it's going to look really awful. But this is, so over here, this is where point Y is. So on your paper, just with your pencil, label that intersection of the arc and your ray as Y. So XY is a segment that's congruent to AB. Okay, guys, this is the first construction. I hope you found this easy. Have a good one.